There's a double stacked hose reel, 300 feet of water fed hose on each reel. What I did is I added a swivel at the base of this so it's able to lock in place, so we can slide it all the way out. It locks in place on that out position, which aligns it just sticking out of the trailer doors. And we designed this so it can swivel, so if we're bringing this hose straight out, it's no problem. Sometimes what we want to do is we want to pull this hose straight behind the trailer. So what we'll do is we'll take the swivel lock here. That swivel locks every 15 degrees and allows it to swivel. That's 15 degrees. Usually one more turn gets us straight behind, so we're facing directly behind the trailer. It's been a good feature. We like the locking swivel on this. The actual slides on this, you can see in the back, just two separate slides. We have a lock on one of these slides. This is a non-locking slide. This we put a locking slide. So when it's in this out position, it cannot roll back in unless you depress the lock. Once it goes back in, you can hear it engage. It's locked back in place. It's not going anywhere. This has been a benefit for us for coiling and uncoiling hoses, and it just made it a little faster and efficient.